Udaba Sunday World News musical concerts over cover-ups for graft KZN Maskandi Boom faces scrutiny lapho udaba libhale nge-1 ka-October 2025 bani uZama Nteyi newspaper la Sunday World inodaba laphana ilink ku-Facebook bakhuluma ngendaba kaMaskandi nanokuthi uxhaswa abantu ababodwa especially umnyango wakwa-Department of Arts and Culture imicimbi eminingi ebaseThekwini khona abanemibuzo mina ngizokhomenta ekugcineni ukuthi ngithini ngalokho ngizobe-ke sengilufunda lolu daba njengoba lunjalo luthini udaba KwaZulu-Natal KZN community has voiced growing unease over the mushrooming of Maskandi festival across the province, many of which appear to be bankrolled by government departments. The latest events drawing scrutiny is Ingoma Yezempilo and Isibhedlela Kuba, organized by the KZN Department of Health. The event was held on September 28th. The department insists the festival is part of its community outreach and wellness campaign, but critics argue that the sheer frequency of these events and the lack of financial transparency point to the possible misuse of public funds. On social media, suspicious have gone further. Some claim that the festival could serve as a front for money laundering or financial mismanagement. A concerned resident, Zibu Masotobe Spear, took to Facebook to state what he sees as an unhealthy pattern. In KZN, most recreational government events are about Ingoma, traditional Maskandi music. If I ask everyone to post a flyer of a festival in KZN since January, you will be shocked. The MEC of Health is investing heavily in supporting musical concerts, and among the sponsors you will even find the road accident fund. He wrote, "We need a forensic investigation to follow the money from the hundreds of festivals. Can we get a ratio of web to gate ticket sales? Can we have the independent audit? You can no longer find events like Uku Jazz Festival or hip hop showcases. No new entrants in the market, just concert after concert, sometimes 3 in 1 month, hosted by the same organizer. We even had a major health and fitness event in Durban, a 5 to 10 kilometer run, and the MEC for Health was nowhere to be seen. Something is definitely off here. We need a whistleblower. We need corners in the industry. The Department of Health has not disclosed how much money was located for Ingoma Yezempilo Festival. This silence has only deepened suspicions among community members, activists, and cultural critics. Durban alone hosts over 10 annual festival. Most enjoy some form of the government. Those events are matter of all Maskandi Festival Durban. Maskandi Festival ebaseDurban, Ngoma kaZwelonke ebaseDurban, Umbuso wamaciko ubaseDurban, Gcwele Spring Picnic All-White ubaseDurban, Khuphuka Nezakho ubaseDurban, Khumbula Wethu Ingoma ubaseDurban, Ugu Maskandi Festival South Coast, Potchefstroom, Imbenge Maskandi Festival iBakwaDukuza, Shaka. Many of these events are tied to the same event organizer and often recycle the same number. This is raising concern about whether government funding is nurturing cultural diversity or simply enriching a handful of promoters. For now, the Department of Health has failed to respond. The media inquiries until clear answers are provided. Suspicion around KZN Boom Maskandi Festival scene is only set to intensify. Right. Siyifundile indaba ke umuntu nje beyibekela umbono wakhe laphana ukuthi kunokukhala okukhona ngendaba imicimbi esiyifunda ngayo especially kwaMaskandi ila kothe i-department ikhona yakwa-health not our-health yakwa-arts and culture ehlala ikhona lapha bathi abatholakali kwezinye iy'ndawo, so asazi ukuthi bathi kuza kanjani lokho. Kodwa-ke ukucabanga kwami nanokubona kwami izinto ikanjena lento. Ever since uMaskandi ushwi wacishe wahlanganiswa unyaka ngo-2005 lapha noKhosi FM. Ngathi kuyophela unyaka kuzonga 26. Kwaphinde futhi uMroza 2016 siya ku-2017, uNtengana 2018, Khuzani 2021, Khuzani 2024, Mthandeni 2025, etc. Kule nto kanje kunabantu la endimeni, abantu general abangasoze balindela into ethize ephuma entweni yesintu, especially maskandi. Maskandi bohleli bobuka izinto yamaqaba, yabantu abangafundisekile, abantu abathanda ukulwa, abantu bo-brainoti, abantu basemakhaya bayohleli be-associate nalokho. Abazimisele abantu abanye ukubona umaskandi uyaphambili udlula imiculo ethize. Kuyamangaza-ke and futhi kuyahlekisa ukuthi umaskandi after a long time, period of time, ungaphansi kwengcindezi, iy'teshi ungayinakile, kudalela okuthiwa ngifaka iy'mbadada, ngifaka ama-brainoti amabi angabukeki, iy'mpahla zakhona nje ebey'fakwa, uyabona, ama-vest akhona ay'made or iy'mpahla ezingathi ezengwe ezizinde, long sleeve, kukuningi nje. Nanama-necklace akhona, zonke nama-cap, babethi uniform yakhona. So now, because izinto ziyashintsha, ukudla kuyashintsha epletini, abantu sebeya-embrace indaba kamaskandi ngayo yonke indlela. Igenge ngisafunda ema-high school, abantu abafunda ema-university, abantu bonkana nje, nabadala kade bengonalo maskandi, asebeqala ukunaka, asebethe ukukhula. Now umaskandi usuthola lento okade uyilwela over the years. Now it's a problem. Umaskandi, the only reason engicanda umaskandi maybe ezinye izinto yayi-benefit, it because abalandeli bamaskandi iqiniso bayalenza. Uma bemthandile umculi bayamenzela iqiniso. Sasike sibone kuzophuma ama-CDs ukuthi kwakuthanga kanjani, kube nemihlangano laphana ezoba khona nje, kuthiwa iqhawe elithize, abalandeli bakhe bazohlangana ndawo ndawo. Kunezinto ey'ningi, kuphuma iy'moto makuzoba ne-event umuntu othi umaskandi, kuya lapho i-marketing eba khona, isasazo eliba khona kumaskandi. So department uma ubona opportunity yokuthi yena u-invest, ukhulise umculo ndlela thizeni, cha, akumelanga. Sekunephethini, sekunobuqhophololo, sekugezwa imali, okusho ukuthi kanjani babo hip hop. For isikhathi esingakanani o-hip hop benza izinto e-South Africa? Isikhathi esingakanani? For how long? Amanye ama-genre ezenzela gospel ake bafika kwakuphi? Bekuba amanzi phansi i-gospel. Yini i-joyous celebration? Niyayazi ukuthi ibinzima kanjani? Nawa isesenzima, but niyayazi kunoncandweni, kunobani, i-jazz, niyayazi i-jazz ukuthi ibinzima kanjani. Ni-understand? So angi-understand mina ukuthi yena inkinga ikuphi. Inkinga ukuthi ukuba consistent kwe-department ukuthi yena cha, asibasaphotheni because nabo i-support banayo. Bayawathenga amathikithi, they show up emcimbini. Yona le micimbi exhaswayo, abantu bayafika bezoyibuka. But it's the same lineup yabantu ababizwayo. Kubizwa umuntu otrenda okwazi wathi uzoletha abantu vele emcimbini. Bafuna kubizwe bani kahle kahle? Because into eyinkinga la, abantu bafuna ukuzolawula entweni bona abathi abayilandeleli. Bafuna ukuzokhoja abantu abakuyona ukuthi why nenza kanje. Lapha bakhona bakhoja ubani? Ngendlela nenza ngayo nikhoja ubani? Akumelanga umaskandi uthole i-chance ukuthi wenzeni. Uma umaskandi uhlanganisa ingoma ekhuzini, akekho onganyanyi. Akekho onganyanyi, especially uma ngisibona-ke nalaba aboqhawe lami, abanye abantu kusesikhathele umaskandi. Yini le eyona umaskandi? Kumele umaskandi uphilephi? Unyanya ubuwena. Umaskandi phela usukucula ngesintu, whether isiXhosa or whether yini isiZulu, kodwa usukhuluma ngawe, impilo yakho, uphuma emakhaya. Yini abantu befuna ukuzenza ngcono, beyibona better ukudlula abanye abantu? Yiyo into engayi-understand leyo. Ukuthi ukufunda kwabantu kanti kuyabavala ingqondo. So asazi lesi sikhalazo lesi angisazi sibuyaphi. Mina uku-understand kwami, umaskandi kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi ufike lapho ufika khona and bawusebenzele laba ngaphambilini. amaqembu amaningi asebenze kanzima i-recognition engayitholi kahle. Maybe ukhuzini wakuthatha i-1 hour and a half ukuthi uMaskandi udlale. Anganoma kuyi-1 hour kwase kube 1 hour and a half kwakhuphuka kwaba yi-2 hours. Bekunzima. Lapho umhlobo wenene bayabusaba bexana wasekho emhlabeni wasebenza kakhulu edlala uMaskandi, edlala wonke uMaskandi wesiSuthu, wesiXhosa, wesiZulu ebeyudlala. Niyazi iy'teshi zomphakathi niyazi zodlala kanjani uMaskandi ziwuphushile. Facebook ama-group iy'nqwele niyabazi abafowethu ukuthi bakhuluma kangakanani uMaskandi. If le gang ibingekho le esikhona le manje after uMgqumeni noMtshengiseni, if le gang leyo ebithanda uKhuzani noMthandeni, uMaskandi awuzobuka kuphi? Awuyobhora. Kodwa the way belifaka khona ilahle eguzwini impela ubonke impela akuhlala. uMaskandi ubekeke lapho okhona ngenxa yabantu yokusebenzela. So i-problem akusekhona ukuthi i-department ayenzi kahle. No, ukuthi uMaskandi umculo wesintu bekumele kube o-hip hop, bekumele kube ogqomu, bekumele kube opiano, bekumele kube amanye ama-genre. Not uMaskandi. Into elwisayo lapho uMaskandi futhi wesiZulu khona nangesiZulu. Unyanywa yibo futhi laba abaye bangamaZulu abano-complain ngoba yini akumelanga kube nento ezokwenziwa into enesintu. Amane kube i-gospel okungenani. Not uMaskandi cause abawuthanda inhliziyo yabo yonke. Inkinga yini leyo? Yabona, it's your own problem. uMaskandi ukhona, uMaskandi ayandawo. uMaskandi ufikile, ugalelekile, usazokwenza imangaliso. Usuyangena kuma-radio station kakhulu manje, not kancane. Ubungena wona kube lowo mculi loyo kodwa manje uyangena. Siyababona nje abantu bephithizela lapha komhlobo wenene, not kumhlobo wenene ku-Metro FM. Bahlele beke umhlobo wenene. Metro FM oshwise bebuya ngazi kangaka lapha. Omafikizolo babuye kubani ku-Metro njalo. Qonda ukuthi Metro omafikizolo Metro, oSminofo Metro, oshwi oMetro. Umthandeni bahamba ama-interview ko-TV, oKhuzani. Niyabona nje, niyabona ukuthi kuhle kudelile. So leyo nto leyo nhliziyo ebuhlungu eninayo angeke izinisize, angeke izinisebenzele. uMaskandi uyilento esiyifunayo-ke manje okade vele kumele ube yiyo. Awukwazi ubuwena ukuthi awuyiqhenyi ngaphi unenkinga na. Uma ungaxhaswa i-department-ke leyo maybe yaka-Arts and Culture, ubani ozokuxhasa? Because someone needs to fund i-event at the end of the day. And then-ke kube nama-returns ukuthi ama-ticket sales nani izokwenzeka kanjani. At the end of the day someone kumele akuxhase umcimbi. And umcimbi iyona ndlela vele abaculi abaphila ngayo. Ayikho enye indlela. Kumele bayikhandele lokho abayikhandela khona. If abakwenzi lokho kuzokwenziwa ubani? Iyo nje into edisappointayo leyo ukuthi-ke sengasuka umuntu wakuleyo ndawo leyo kube yena ocomplaina. Thina siyawuthanda uMaskandi, siyawuseka. Amaciko uMaskandi siyawahlonipha kakhulu. Kunabantu abadala abafa bengenalutho kuMaskandi ngenxa yokuthi imicimbi abasaqashwa kuphi kuphi. Kodwa uma kuvela i-department ethi yona iphambisa isandla ukuthi hhayi kunento eyenzekalayo laphana, asazi ukuthi kuchazani lokho. Leyo nto leyo ngeke beyibone kwamanye ama-genre, bangayikhomba kuMaskandi kuphela. Because uMaskandi leyo yabawunyanya ngakhona, angazi wawenzani uMaskandi abantu abaningi. Ngiyababona abanye abantu bakhuluma esinye isintu abangamaZulu straight, angazi abanye bawunyanyiswa yini, banyanya ukubona. Hayi Nkosami kunzima, akusenani. Ngiyabonga ithuba.